The images that you are looking at right now are not real. Yes, I was able to generate all these images using AI, and as you can see, they look absolutely stunning. Remember those days when AI images used to look like this? I know, right? They looked so bad and weird, and trust me, this was considered a breakthrough at that time. Now fast forward only a few years and this is how it looks now. We have come to a point where it is almost undetectable which is AI and which is real. But let me tell you this, not all AI image generators can generate images like this. There are only a few. Here is a quick list of some of the best AI image generator rankings. Out of these, MidJourney is not free, as we all know. I don't like Recraft all that much because the prompt adherence is really bad. I love Ideogram and use it quite often, but my favorite is, as you all know, Flux. I just love generating images using Flux, and all the images you saw earlier have been generated using Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra. It was released only a few months ago, and it has already overtaken some of the best image generators in terms of image quality. This is so good that even Elon Musk uses Flux for his AI image generator Grok 2. I personally believe it is better than MidJourney. Now, within Flux, there are various different models. First, we have Flux Schnell, which you can use for free on Piclumen. Then we have Flux Dev, which you can use using a Google Colab for absolutely free. Then we have Flux 1.1 Pro, which I absolutely love. I have made various movie trailers using this model, and it is absolutely mind-blowing. Now, they have launched a new model which is Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra, and let me tell you guys, it is absolutely mind-blowing. The quality of images that it produces is just something else. Now there used to be some websites where you could use Flux Pro and Ultra models for free. Now sadly they are not free anymore. But no need to worry, because today I am going to show you a tool through which you can generate images using Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra for absolutely free. After doing a lot of digging, I finally found this tool and you guys are going to love it. I will try to keep this video as detailed as possible, so make sure you pay very good attention. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The tool we will be using today is called Glif. It is a very useful tool if you want to generate high quality images for free. To get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, they will give you 20 free credits to generate images. Each image costs 1 credit, so with 20 credits, you can generate 20 images, and the credits renew every day, which is awesome. Now, if you want to generate more images, then you can just use a different email ID and you should be fine. Now, once you sign up, you will see an interface like this. From here, click on Glyphs and search for Flux Ultra. After that, you will see various Flux Ultra models. Some of them are tailored for specific needs. You can choose the one you like. I will just go with this one. After that, you will see something like this. This is where you can generate your images. Now, if you scroll down, you will be able to see the images generated by other users. And let me tell you, the images that you generate will be public and they will be displayed here. Now, this is the prompt section where you can give it a prompt. I will give it my usual prompt: a beautiful woman looking at the camera. Next, from here you can select the aspect ratio. I will choose 16:9. Now, in the realism section, you can select whether you want raw, less processed images or images with a little bit of processing. The default value is false. And let me tell you guys, even if you set this to false, the image that it will generate will be way more realistic than any other image generator. Let me show you. So I will keep it as false and click on generate. And here is the result. Just look at this, folks. This image is looking absolutely stunning. It does not look like a typical overly processed AI image like we see on other image generators. This looks so natural and real, even with the realism setting set to false. This is just too good. To download the image, just click on it and you can download it from here. Now let's try the same prompt, but this time I will set the realism to true and click on generate. And here is the output. It looks more real than the previous image. Just look at her hair, eyes, lips, even the skin texture. They look very real. It honestly looks like a picture taken from a very good camera. If you show this image to someone, I am sure you won't be able to tell whether it's I or not. It's that good. And this is why Flux is my favorite image generator at this moment. Now let's try a different prompt. This time I will give it this prompt: Iron Man standing in New York facing the camera. Then I will keep the realism set to true and hit generate, and here is the output. Just look at this image. It looks so real. It looks like someone took this photo on their phone while Iron Man came to visit New York. This is just too good. Just imagine the kind of great content you can create using this tool. This is just too good. Now let's see how it would look if we set the realism to false. Here is the result. You can see it also looks very good, but the image is more cinematic. But in both cases, the image looks absolutely stunning. I am telling you guys, generating this kind of image for free is very rare. So make sure you take full advantage of this awesome tool. Now, let's try one more. This time I am going to give it this prompt: a beautiful woman mirror selfie. Then I will change the aspect ratio to this and click on generate. Here is the output. Just look at this, folks. It looks so real, it is actually scary. It is almost undetectable whether it's AI or fake, isn't it? It looks like a random selfie you see on Instagram. Now you can turn this image into a video and get millions of views on social media. Isn't this awesome? Now let me show you how you can create awesome nature images like this and go viral on Instagram. It is really easy, guys. I am going to give it this prompt that I have generated using ChatGPT. No need to worry because I will put this prompt in the description. Next, I will click on generate and here is the output. Just look at this. It looks so awesome and soothing. Trust me. People are getting millions of views by only uploading soothing nature images like this. And you can do it too. After generating the image, all you need to do is go to Immersity AI and turn this into a 3D video. Here is what I was able to create. Trust me, guys, some people are charging a lot of money to show how to generate videos like this, and now you know how for free, and it's really easy too. Let's try one more. This time, let's generate some hybrid images. To do that, I will give it this prompt, and I will also put this prompt in the description, so no need to worry. Next, just hit generate, and here is the output. Just look at this, folks. This looks absolutely amazing. Now you can create different images of various hybrids and turn them into videos to create viral reels. Here is what I was able to create. Pretty awesome, isn't it? I'm telling you guys, creating viral videos is not as difficult as you think it is. You just need to be creative enough. Videos like this get millions of views on Instagram and you can create them easily. Now Flux also has the ability to add text to images perfectly. In fact, it is the most talked about feature of the image model, and it even beats MidJourney in terms of adding text to images. To do that, you need to give it a prompt. I have given it this prompt: a beautiful young woman holding a sign that says subscribe to WealthWise. Then hit play, and here is the output. This is just stunning. You can see there are no typos or any weird morphing. The text is clear and as described in the prompt. Trust me, even MidJourney can generate image text as accurately and flawlessly as this. This is awesome, and if you have made it this far into the video, you can consider subscribing to the channel. Let's try one more image. This time I am going to give it this prompt, then change the aspect ratio to 16:9 and hit generate. And here is the output. As expected, it looks fabulous. It really looks like a retro image, doesn't it? And the prompt adherence is also very nice. Now you can use these kinds of images to create 1950s Super Panavision style movie trailers easily by turning the images into videos with a little bit of creativity. Here is a 1950s Super Panavision style movie trailer I created using Flux Ultra images.
In a kingdom far away, where snowflakes fall in an endless dance, two sisters share a bond like no other. Queen Elsa, born with a magical gift with a heart full of love, and Princess Anna, the fearless sister who is brave and full of hope. But as Elsa's powers grow stronger, fear takes hold. In a moment of panic, Elsa accidentally plunges their land into an eternal winter. Fearing she's a danger to everyone she loves, she leaves her kingdom behind, retreating to an isolated ice palace. With the kingdom in peril, Anna embarks on a journey with an unlikely team, an ice seller named Kristoff, his loyal reindeer Sven, and an enchanted snowman named Olaf. Together, they brave frozen mountains, treacherous blizzards, and their own fears to find Elsa and bring her home. But Elsa's powers are out of control, and the true danger may be greater than anyone ever imagined. Will Anna be able to save her sister and thaw the kingdom, or will Elsa's cold heart leave them all in endless winter? To find out, watch Frozen coming to a theater near you.
Looks awesome, doesn't it? Now I have already made a very detailed tutorial on how I created this 1950s Super Panavision style movie trailer. You can go and check that out if you want. I'll put the link in the description. There you have it, folks, a free tool where you can generate images using Flux Ultra for absolutely free. Apart from Flux Ultra, it also has other Flux models like Flux Dev, Pro, etc. And it also has other image generators like Stable Diffusion. You can try them out if you want. Now I have been using this tool for a few months now, and they still offer daily free credits. So make sure you take full advantage of this tool before they stop giving free credits. Trust me, guys, people are making tons of money by creating AI videos like this, and you can do it too. Just believe in yourself and start taking action. I'm always here to help you guys. You just need to take the first step, which is the hardest part. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.